We're going to wire a buck boost transformer single phase using diagram C. I'm going to start by finding H2 and H3. There's H3 and H2. I'm going to take those two, tie them together and cap it off. Give it a little tug, and we're done with that one. Now I'm going to move on to my high volt primary. I'm going to find X4 and X2 and those two are going to tie together and connect to your high volt line 1. Now I'm going to move on to X3 X1, sorry, X1 and H4. See it better right there. So H4, X3, and X1. Those three wires are going to tie together and connect to your low volt line 1. It's going to leave you with one wire left. Should be your H1. Your H1 is going to connect to your high volt line 2 and your low volt line 2. So all three of those wires are all going to connect together to H1. And that's all there is to it. You're ready to add voltage and test, or add electricity and test for voltages.